guys, welcome to my Pinker. For those who don't know me yet, my name is Ingrid. I'm so excited to share with you 3 recipes that you can make at home this 4th of July weekend. This is why I'm looking a little more patriotic than usual, but today we are going to be cooking vegan and gluten-free. As you know, I've been struggling finding brands and also ingredients that I can use at home that won't cause me any reaction. So today I want to say a special thank you to Tres Latin Foods for sending me a lot of goodies that we're going to be using throughout the video. They are amazing. They actually make vegan gluten-free pupusas. For those who don't know what pupusas are, these are actually a traditional dish from El Salvador, which is where I come from. They are corn tortillas with beans and corn inside. Sometimes you can put like vegan cheese, or you can do different ingredients that you want to mix within your pupusas. I'm also going to be using their cilantro sauce. This is especially for enchiladas, and they also got some tomatillo salsa. Everything that I'm sharing with you right now, it's vegan and it's gluten-free.
First, we're gonna start by making some zucchini canus. Peel off the skin of the zucchini, and once you're done, go ahead and cut it in half. Next, place your zucchini halves in a pan and proceed to prepare the salsa that will go inside your zucchini canus. I'm going to add some tomatoes, cilantro, cut some onions, and I'll be mixing everything in the food processor. These ones are made with kale and beans. They are vegan and gluten-free. I'm gonna go ahead and cut them in small pieces. This is actually my favorite step because these pupusas taste delicious. Next, we're gonna need to scoop out some of the zucchini to make sure that the salsa is going to fit inside. Here you can use a knife to help you or a spoon. Add as much salsa as you would like. And now let's proceed to adding some pupusas. Regarding my cooking, I actually don't cook with oil, so I'm gonna go ahead and make a mix between the cilantro salsa from Tres Latin Foods and water. That way, I make sure that the zucchini canus are not going to get stick into the pan, and they will have an amazing flavor. This step is optional, but if you would like, feel free to add vegan cheese. Preheat your oven at 350 Fahrenheit and then bake them for 15 minutes. Remove them from the oven and add some enchilada sauce, then bake them again for 10 more minutes. Now you are ready to serve them. In this case, I'm going to serve them in this hot dog paper that is very patriotic. I got it in the dollar store and it's perfect for the festivities. For our second dish, we're gonna go ahead and bake black bean and sweet corn pupusas for 8 minutes in the oven, preheated at 350 degrees. These pupusas are also vegan and they are gluten-free. Once you wait for your pupusas, go ahead and start making a salad. I will cut some onions, I'll cut some lettuce. I'll cut some avocado. I'm gonna go ahead and add some cherry tomatoes. And I'm gonna add tomatillo sauce from Tres Latin Foods. Mix everything together. And your salad is ready. To serve it, I'm actually going to use these beautiful hats that I got in the dollar store. I went ahead and washed them to make sure that they are completely sanitized, and then I'll just place salad in each of them to serve it. Once your pupusas are ready, you can add 2 in each plate, and I got these Red Star plates also in the dollar store. Add your hat with your salad, and now you are ready to eat. For our final dish, I'm just gonna add some chips and tomatillo sauce.
Honestly, you can't go wrong with chips and salsa. So if you add some tomatillo sauce and you decorate it with your favorite patriotic plates, all of your guests are going to love you. Hey guys, so this is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed getting to learn how you can use Tres Latin Foods for your 4th of July party. I think my favorite one personally is the zucchini canoe, just because it tastes really good. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe. All you need to do is click that red button, so that way you'll be able to see all of the videos that I upload every week. And without further saying, I hope you have an amazing 4th of July weekend, and I'll